Now, when you check out here on this AI tool, as you can see, Grok 3 free. Now, on this AI tool, you can use Grok AI for free. On my last video, I made a video on a platform where you can use Grok AI for free, but a lot of people were saying they cannot be able to generate video with it. It have limitation. Now, I come with a new video where you can use this new AI model to generate videos using Grok, and everything is free. And not only Grok, they have different type of AI model here, as you can see, Google VO3 and Saro and lot more. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use Grok AI on this platform to be generating your videos for free using Grok AI model. You can do image to video, text to video, and also everything just the way you are doing it with your Grok AI before. You can use this new AI model. But the only thing is that your resolution has to be 480p and your duration has to be 6 seconds. If you want to use 720p, that is the quality resolution, and the duration to be 10 seconds, you have to pay. But if you are using this one, it is free. Now, let me show you how you can access this, and let's start using the AI platform to create a video for ourselves. Let me show you how you can create videos. Now, after you go to the description of this video, I'm going to leave the link to this AI tool in the description of this video. So, or you can just comment AI tool and I'm going to send you the link. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to an interface where you just register. And after you register, you are going to see gene here. As you can see, video gene here, image, speech gene, and dialogue. So what we are here for is to create a video. Then we click on video like this. Now when you click on video, you come down. Now let's go down, and from there we are going to click on Grok. As you can see, Grok here. We click on Grok. Now it's on Grok. So the next thing we are going to do is to put our customize here. As you can see, we can click on this customize and we leave it at customize settings. So now the next thing we are going to do is to put our prompt here for what we want to generate. Now I want us to generate an action movie scene. Now let's say, this is what I will do. Now let me write my prompt. I will say dynamic fighting action movie. Just a simple prompt. Action movie. Just a simple prompt like this. Now we are selecting our aspect ratio. So if you want to generate for YouTube, you are selecting landscape. For portrait, that is for TikTok and your Facebook and other aspect ratio here, as you can see. Now our resolution, I'm going to leave it at this one, that is standard, and duration in 6 seconds. Then after that, the next thing we are going to do is just to click on generate with Grok. As you can see, generation will cost 0 credit, as you can see here. Then the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate. Now as you can see, your video is being created with AI magic. So we just have to give it some minutes and it's going to generate our video for us. Now you guys are seeing it's generating the video already. So if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do wait to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop new videos on how you can be using AIs for free, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. So our video is almost complete, as you can see. Now let's give it some minutes. Now as you can see, this is our video info, what we want, prompt detail, as you can see here. So let's give it some minutes. Now our videos is ready. Now let's play it and you guys are going to see. Now as you can see, this is our result. Just a simple prompt. If you have your own prompt, it's going to look very nice. So just get a prompt and you start generating videos using this AI tool. I just make an example to show you guys that this can work on this AI model. Yes, this can work. So you can decide to use your own and start generating amazing videos. So this is just an example I created for you guys. And after you're done, you just click on this 3 dots and you're going to see download here, and you download it to your phone. You can do this with your smartphone. You can do this with your laptop, with your desktop, everything. You can do it with it. Now, as you can see, our video is download. Now, let's go back again. Now, as you can see it. So now let me try and do something. You see, they will give you free credit immediately you register. You see, they will give you free credit on this platform, but you generating videos is going to be free, as you can see. Now I want us to test image here. Let's click on image here. When you click on image, now click on image here, and you're also going to see Grok. As you can see, Grok image here, which you can use to generate image. Now as you can see, you can also check Nano Banana Pro here. As you can see, Nano Banana Pro, where you can also generate image with Nano Banana Pro, and you select your aspect ratio and you generate your image up to 4K. As you can see, this generation will cost you 0 credit, as you can see. Now let me just show you something which you can do here. Now the only thing you need here is to put a prompt. Now let me put a prompt. I'm in Nigeria, so I'll say Nigeria content creator in YouTube. Now, after writing this prompt, which says Nigeria content creator in YouTube studio, after writing this prompt, the next thing is to select your aspect ratio. So if you want your video in YouTube form, you select 16.9. If you want it in TikTok or Facebook, 9.16. Then you select your output format. You can decide to put it here. You can decide to put it here, anyone. And you also select your resolution, which is 1K, 2K, and 4K. So if you click on 4K, you put it on 4K. And the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate here. As you can see, credit remain 40, and this generation will cost you 0 credit. So you can use 0 credit to generate this with Nano Banana Pro, as you can see, and it's free. After you click on generate, and it will start generating your image for you. Now let's go back again. Now when you click on video also, and you video gen here, and you click on Grok AI. Now if it is on Grok AI, you can also put your reference image here. You can also upload your reference image here. You just upload your reference image and you start generating the video also. Just the way, follow the same method. If you want to use image, you upload your reference image here and you put your prompt here. You select your resolution, your quality, everything, and you click on generate, and it's also free. When you click on video again, let me show you other things you can also get when you click on videos. Other AI model you can get, as you can see here. Google VO3 here. As you can see, this is Google VO3. This is Saro, and it's also free. As you can see, Google VO3. When you click on Google VO3 right now, you are going to see it here, free. You can do frame image, as you can see, start image, end frame, all these things you can do it. Now when you check here, as you can see, this generation will cost you 0 credit also. As you can see, you can do it, and you are going to generate video for also free using VO3 here. Now this is Sora. When you click on Sora also, you're also going to see it now, as you can see. But if you want to use Sora here, it will cost you 15 credit per video. This is it here. But for Google VO3 and Grok, it is free. You can use that one, and you can start creating your videos with it. They have different type of AI model. You can just take it side here, and you are going to see it, and it will start generating your videos for you. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos like this on how you can use AIs for free, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on my next video.